I can do a quick demo. Great. So this is on Playground. Let's go home really quick. I have been doing a little bit of work to increase the visibility of some of the AI features so we can get a bit more usage and a bit more feedback, and also make the quick start experience a bit better in the work, a bit easier in the workbook. So let's go to the e-commerce topic. And the change here is that now, instead of just saying pick some fields, you can also ask just any question you want. Previously, this wasn't here because the AI required you to know which topic you were in before asking a question. But now it'll pick a topic for you based on your question. So show me how many orders I have in the last 30 days. There's a few different places it could go. It might go web event, user acquisition, but hopefully it'll identify that this question is actually geared towards the order transactions topic. When you do that, it's going to then pop open the little sidebar. Think for a second. Yep, looks like it picked the right topic for us, the order transactions topic, and then the right fields and right filters. So the big step here is just making it, reducing friction. You no longer have to select a topic, and then the AI has another layer of being able to scan all your topics and figure out what is the right place to ask this question. So yeah, hopefully we get some.
How are you actually picking? Like, presumably you're not running the query in 4 topics and checking.
No.
Are you sort of what is the sort of behind the scenes workflow for how you topic select?
Yeah, so it knows what model you're in, and then it goes and fetches on the back end, it fetches each topic's name, description, and the fields that are in that topic. And then it asks a question to the AI, basically says, hey, based on the names, descriptions, and fields, what do you think is the best place to ask this question? And it picks the topic for you. And then after it picks the topic, it goes and does the same exact flow it did before. So there's just a step of scanning the metadata, basically.
So in like an example of orders existing in multiple topics, would something like context within the topics be like a helpful way to tell the AI which one to choose in that case?
Exactly. Yeah. So I'm trying to think. I mean, let's see if my dev works right now. Yeah, so you can see like there's new users and users. So I might have 2 topics with like similar names and similar fields. And in that case, it can be helpful to have where is it? Like an AI context that you add to the topic so that when like we have some example queries in here that'll help guide the AI to pick this topic if the question looks similar to the samples. Or you could have, a text block in here that says like, hey, you should use this topic to answer these types of questions. So yeah, you can use this to guide it to specific topics that look similar from just the fields and the names.
Makes sense. Very cool.
Yeah, so this is on Playground right now, behind a feature flag.
Yeah, I was just going to say, this is behind a feature flag. So if folks want to test it out, give us some feedback.